Hello, welcome you all in Science Vision section. The world fastest land animal, cheetah, was declared extinct in India in 1952, and the last Asiatic cheetah recorded from the India were shot down in 1948 by Maharaja Ramanuj Pratap Singh in छत्तीसगढ़। जी हाँ, दुनिया का सबसे तेज दौड़ने वाला लैंड एनिमल, धरती पर पाए जाने वाला जीव चीता 1952 में इंडिया में एक्सटिंक्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया था और इसे आखिरी बार 1948 में छत्तीसगढ़ में देखा गया था। एंड दिस एशियाटिक चीता इज क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज कैटेगरी बाय IUCN. This cheetah is expected to be reintroduced into the country in November this year at Kunnu National Park in Madhya Pradesh. The WII Wildlife Institute of India NTCA National Tiger Conservation Authority some year back prepared a cheetah reintroduction project, and the Supreme Court had earlier given its approval to introduce African cheetah to a suitable habitat in India on an experimental basis. एक्सपेरिमेंटल बेसिस पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अप्रूव कर दिया है कि चीतास का री इंट्रोडक्शन होगा अफ्रीकन चीता का। अफ्रीकन चीता ये IUCN द्वारा ये वैल्यूरेबल कैटेगरी में कैटेगराइज किए गए हैं। So, and we have started the process of creating enclosure of around 10 cheetahs including female, जिसमें से हम 10 cheetahs का इंट्रोडक्शन करेंगे, जिसमें से 5 क्या होंगी, फीमेल्स होंगी। This African cheetah is coming from Namibia. Let's see some information about Kunnu National Park. It is a protected area established in 1981 as wildlife sanctuary, and in 2018 it got the status of national park, and it is situated in Shivpur Morena district, also known as Palpur Kunnu National Park. Currently it hosts the animals like leopard, jackal, spotted deer, nilgai, chinkara, wild boar. You can see it majorly hosts the cat species, and it provides the good habitat for the suitable or for cheetah, because its forests are not very dense, which will be suitable for the fast movement of cheetah. At the same time, it provides the large number of abundant prey for cheetah. Now let's see some information about IUCN. IUCN, which stands for the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It was established in 5th October 1948 in Fontainebleau, France by the Julian Huxley. The founder was Julian Huxley, and the Julian Huxley was the first Director General of UNESCO also. And formerly this IUCN was known as IUPN, International Union for Protection of Nature. And it works in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. Its headquarters is situated in Gland, Switzerland. So it was all about today. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay motivated.